Welcome to our channel, Viral Nova Sphere. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on one of the most lucrative trends in digital content creation: how finance creators are making $50,000 or more every single month using YouTube automation. This isn't about viral stunts or flashy lifestyles. It's about systematizing content, targeting the right niches, and building a scalable, faceless income stream. So grab your coffee, hit subscribe, and let's break this down. What is YouTube automation? YouTube automation is the process of creating YouTube content without showing your face. You outsource everything, from script writing and voiceovers to video editing and thumbnail design. Finance creators are winning big because this niche has some of the highest ad revenue on YouTube. Think about topics like credit cards, investing tips, passive income, side hustles, business ideas. These videos get tons of views and pay up to $30 to $60 per 1,000 views through AdSense alone. How finance channels are structured. Here's the structure top finance creators use. Hook in the first 5 seconds. Value-packed storytelling that solves a problem, A/B tested thumbnails and SEO titles, automation team, one writer, one editor, one voice artist, and one channel manager. All of this is handled on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or using AI tools like ChatGPT and 11 Labs. Example channels include The Infographics Show, Money, Success Stories, and Business Casual. The 50K plus monetization breakdown. Let's break down where the money comes from. AdSense revenue, 20 to 60 RPM affiliate marketing, credit cards, investment apps, or online courses. Sponsorships, fintech startups pay thousands for a 60-second mention. Digital products, ebooks, courses, templates, email list building. They monetize their audience even off YouTube. Example, a channel with 300K monthly views equals $10,000 to $15,000 in AdSense. Add another $30,000 plus in affiliate and sponsor deals, and boom, $50,000 a month. How to start your own automated finance channel. Step by step, pick a sub-niche: credit, loans, side hustles, investing for beginners. Use AI tools to script and plan. ChatGPT plus vidIQ plus Notion outsource production, editor, voiceover, thumbnail expert. Publish 3 to 4 videos per week. Double down on what performs platforms you need: Canva for thumbnails, Pictory, or Adobe for editing, keywordtool.io, or TubeBuddy for SEO bonus tip. Use a content calendar to plan 30 days in advance. Consistency plus SEO equals algorithm love. Mistakes to avoid: don't ignore SEO. Use searchable keywords like side hustles, passive income, credit hacks. Rely only on AdSense. Diversify. If you're serious about financial freedom, YouTube automation is your ticket. You don't need to be famous. You don't even need to be on camera. All you need is a system, a strategy, and consistent action. If this video helped you, drop a comment, hit that like button, and subscribe for more daily breakdowns on how to grow faceless finance channels.